What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with a tour of Crossfire Car Audio. We're going to get into how long Crossfire's been around and tell you all about it. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get into Crossfire Car Audio. Crossfire Car Audio has been around for a very long time. I actually was running one of their VR4000s way back in the day when I was like 15. It was one of the first big amps that I ever had, and I didn't have enough battery power to support it, so I kept blowing it up, and I'm like, what's going on? They're like, you need a stronger electrical. I'm like, what does that mean? So anyway, I've been doing this for a long time, and once I got enough batteries, it played and did a great job. But you got to have power to make power. But anyway, that is back in the day. But that lets you know how long they have been around. They've been around for probably 20 or 25 years, if I had to guess. So they are not anything new to the game. There's some OGs when it comes to car audio, and you don't stay in the car audio business or branding if you're not putting out a great product, especially for this long. So anyway, we're going to go through a few different products from Crossfire Car Audio. They offer everything from budget friendly to big and massive and everything in between, obviously. So we're going to start off with their C5 652s, which is going to be their budget friendly coaxial set. You can see here, even their coaxials are nice. Anyway, this is their budget friendly coaxials. Comes with your grills and a nice coaxial 6.5 inch coaxials. Again, normally 85. Right now they're 65. They might be even lower in the time to come. So we're gonna move on to some of their subwoofers, or one of their subwoofers that we have right here in front of us. The most popular one that we sell is the C7 series, 1800 watts RMS. This thing's a monster, especially for the price point. 459 bucks. For 1800 watts RMS from Crossfire Car Audio. You can see the venting out of the back plate here. This motor style right here, I really love that. It reminds me of the Nightshade V3 series from Sundown Audio. But so that's the reason why I love this back plate. And on the magnet boot, you can see the embossed Crossfire logo on there. Nice little top plate here. Got some good openings in the basket. 4-gauge push terminals here, heavy duty push terminals. And on the front side, we have a nice mid-roll surround that's stitched to the cone, sporting that Crossfire logo. And again, Crossfire's been around for a while, and they dish out some great products. So be sure to check out their subwoofers. Again, they have subs from 300 watts RMS all the way up to like 3,000 or 4,000 watts RMS. Their bigger subs, like the XT series, they are on back order right now, so hopefully we'll be getting the parts in for those soon, and we'll be able to put those back on the website. But that's why you'll see the bigger subs are marked out of stock right now for that reason. But we do have these, and they're great. Moving on to their mids and highs, we have just a couple of them in front of us. So this is a popular, one of the most popular ones from Crossfire Car Audio. We have the XT Pro, 150 watts RMS. Got your carbon fiber cone on here. Got a blacked out, if you can see it, Crossfire logo on there. And then on the basket is a nice basket. I haven't seen this one before, I don't think. So there's only so many ways you can make a basket. Nice push terminals here. Overall, very nice 6.5 inch speaker. Again, 150 watts RMS. They come in 4 ohm and 8 ohm. The frequency range on these is, you can see it on the side right there, 80 hertz through 12,000. And the pricing on these are $59 each. So nice speakers from Crossfire Car Audio on the mid-range. And then their very popular XS T1 tweeters. These will actually match up really good. So we got the tweeter XS T1. It's 80 watts RMS, 4 ohm, and they come in 8 ohm as well. We have both of them in stock currently. These things fly off the shelf. and they sound great as well. Let me give you the frequency response on those. 2800 to 28,000, 80 watts RMS. If I looked at that right, 50 watts RMS. I was looking at it wrong. I'm getting old, I can't see. They also come with a little bass blocker right here, and your screws to mount them down with. The pricing on these are $59 and $59 on the mid and the tweeter. So, I mean, that's separately. So $59 for the tweeter, $59 for the Crossfire mid that you see there. But again, don't forget about the downward sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. If you ever find anything that we sell for cheaper from an authorized dealer and they have it in stock, shoot us a message, let us verify it, and if you do find it cheaper and it is authorized, we will match it for you at least, but a lot of times we'll beat it for you. So you always know you're going to get the lowest price right here at downforsoundshop.com, always. All right, keep it locked in here on the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.